Hello viewers, in today's video we'll be again touching a topic which is related to interior decoration. The topic is redecoration. As the name suggests, redecoration includes renewal of the paintwork, touching up of the furniture accessories, renewal of the soft furnishings and sometimes spring clean. This has to be done annually or it depends on the management of the property. In medium hotels, it could be done in 5 years. The EHK should ensure that very high standards are maintained. During redecoration, EHK has to decide what tasks to be given to an interior decorator, what to contractor and what tasks would be done by the staff of the housekeeping department. Now, what are the procedures you have to undertake during redecoration? You have to inform front office and maintenance. You have to remove all the curtains, bed linen, guest supplies and place them properly in the floor pantry. You have to disconnect telephones, TVs, carpets. You have to send them for shampooing. You have to seal bathtubs, vanity counters, remove furniture which is movable. If not movable, cover it with a bed sheet, dust sheet and plan properly. Everything should be planned very properly. Now post decoration, once this procedure is complete, before handing over to the front office, please make sure that cleaning is done thoroughly and all preventive maintenance is completed in the room. The next term is restoration. Restoration means keeping the property to its original design with authentic material. The design of the property is not at all changed. Then comes remodeling. It includes altering the physical structure of the property. The physical setup of the property is changed completely. Refurbishment. Refurbishment is basically a process of changing the furniture. You have to replace the furniture. It depends on your budget. Now what factors you'll be considering before this process? You will evaluate your furniture, your time, your budget, your theme, your design, everything, your control, your supervision to be checked before doing this procedure. Now evaluation. First evaluate the property, prepare a worksheet and submit it to your management for approval. Then see the time availability. Do you have complete time to do this? Your occupancy state, then see your budget, do you have complete budget or not, then see your theme, what is the theme and would your furniture be matching with the theme or not. Then see the design, please choose the best design which suits your budget. Then see the staff requirement, what is your staff requirement, how much extra staff would be needed, how much contractual staff would be needed. Then see your raw material, from where you would be buying raw material at a proper budget. Then see your supervision, that you supervise it completely or you assign someone to supervise us completely. And see your control, that your finances are controlled, your employees are controlled and everything else is controlled. This completes your part which is of the interior decoration. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a good day.